So this video is about the mini chips tracker collection. So when you receive the device, you will receive a tracker and a power wire. And if you have bought the relay, you will get a relay. The relay is used for engine control, and you have to prepare a SIM card, and it must be a micro SIM. And you have the device in this direction, and the SIM card is this direction. So we insert it. If the SIM card is inserted right, you will hear a click sound, and you will see device light will turn on. And now we connect the wires. This is for the tracking device. It has 4 wires. Red for power, yellow for ground, black for ground, and the yellow for controller. The orange is for ACC detection. And here is the relay. The relay also has 4 wires. The white for power, the yellow for controller, and the 2 blue wires. So here we have a 12 voltage DC bar. So we use it as an engine. You can see now it's on. We collect the relay first. So we cut off the red power, cut off, and we collect with the blue wires. And now we connect the tracker with the relay. As I mentioned, the yellow for yellow. And this is for power, and also this is for power. So connect it together to a 12 voltage, and this is for ground. So now the collection is done. You see the light is flashing because it's searching circular, and we are testing inside office. So you have the battery takes out of the office, and just wait for a few minutes. It will stop flashing, and the device will get up online. As for the orange wire, we did not collect it because we do not have the engine wire here, but you can collect it on your car.